Hey there! Welcome back to Dutch Guide, your local guide to all things Dutch. Today's a special day because we're launching our new series, Learn Dutch Easy with Dutch Guide. This series is specifically designed for beginners looking to acquire a basic knowledge of the Dutch language. Whether you're planning a trip, curious about Dutch culture, or just love learning, we've got you covered. Every 2 weeks, we'll dive into new themes, making it fun to learn Dutch and easy to pick up. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any episodes. In today's episode, we're focusing on Dutch basics. We'll cover greetings and introductions, explore basic conversations, understand formality in Dutch, talk about emotions and feelings, dive into common expressions, and end with the Dutch alphabet and pronunciation. And remember, as we go, try to repeat what's said. It's the best way to learn. Oh, and stick around till the end. We've prepared a little test with some questions to test out what you've picked up. Ready? Grab a drink, get comfy, and let's jump into Dutch basics. Greetings and introductions. We're starting off with the heart of any language, greetings. A formal way of greeting would be, hello. An informal way of greeting would be, hoi. Goedemorgen. Goedemiddag. Goedenavond. Goedenacht. When meeting someone, hoe heet je? Instead of hoe heet je, you could also say, wat is je naam?
Ik heet Mark. En jij?
Mijn naam is Eva. Aangenaam. Instead of, mijn naam is Eva, you could also say, ik heet Eva.
Leuk je te ontmoeten, Eva.
Waar woon je?
Ik woon in Amsterdam. En jij?
Waar werk je?
Ik werk bij een bank.
Basic conversations. Hoe gaat het?
Goed, dank je. En met jou?
Met mij gaat het ook goed, dank je. Waar kom je vandaan?
Ik kom uit Nederland. En jij?
Ik kom uit Amerika. Dutch, like many languages, differentiates between formal and informal speech. U is used when you are respectful or trying to be more formal. Jij or je is informal. So remember when to say dank je or dankjewel, or dank u or dank u wel. Understanding how to express emotions and feelings is crucial. Ik ben blij. Ik ben verdrietig. Ik ben moe. Ik ben boos. Ik ben teleurgesteld. Let's dive into some common Dutch expressions. Ja. Nee. Alstublieft. Sorry. Excuseer. Pardon. Dutch alphabet and pronunciation. The Dutch alphabet is intriguing. It looks like the English one, but some letters sound different. The Y in yes sounds like the Dutch.
J.
When it comes to the Dutch A, its pronunciation can sometimes resemble the A in the English word late. Moreover, there's a special mention for the Dutch
G.
a unique throaty sound. It's a challenge for many newcomers, but don't worry. We'll dive deeper and practice more in the upcoming episodes. Now repeat after me.
A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. I. Z.
All right. You've absorbed a lot today. Think you've got it all? Let's put that newfound knowledge to the test and see how much you remember. Ready? 1. How do you say good afternoon in Dutch? 2. How do you ask someone's name in Dutch? 3. Which word is the informal way to say thank you in Dutch? 4. True or false? The J in jump sounds like the Dutch J. 5. How do you express that you're happy in Dutch? All right, folks. That wraps up today's introduction to the basics of Dutch. We hope you found this session both fun and informative. Don't forget to drop your answers in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next lesson. Dankjewel en tot ziens.